All right, y'all. So we back again. So we about to get started on this laundry tub. About to give you the quick rundown of everything you're gonna need and to make this happen. It's not a lot, but it is some very specific things you are gonna need to make this happen. Okay, first things first. Everything that's you're gonna need to make this happen. First, the laundry tub. This is a dub. You know, gonna need a laundry tub. Gonna need a drill. You're going to need some kind of bit to drill through this so you can put in your block. Speaking of blocks, you're going to need a block. You know, to mount your faucet. You're going to need a faucet. The legs that comes with the laundry tub. The legs pieces that goes with the legs and also comes with the laundry tub. Also comes with the laundry tub. You'll need a pair of cutters, solder, flux, a hammer. Be careful though. It's cold in here, so you gotta be careful hitting it with this hammer. You're gonna need some air chambers, some seal cocks, T's and elbows, and a piece of copper. All you're gonna need, and a torch. That's all you're gonna need to make this happen. So after this video, I'll show you a few quick tips and a few steps of how to make this happen. See you on the next video.